Mtazamaji, tukiachana na hayo, aliyekuwa waziri katika utawala wa Rais Mstaafu Daniel Arap Moi, Biwott, amemtaka kiongozi wa walio wengi katika bunge la taifa Aden Duale kumwomba msamaha Rais Mstaafu Daniel Arap Moi kwa kusema kwamba alikuwa amejificha kichakani wakati kulikuwa na jaribio la mapinduzi. Biwott akiandamana na mbunge wa Nandi Hills Alfred Keter amesema kwamba Duale alimkejeli rais wa pili wa nchi wakati wa mazishi ya mwanasiasa Makto.
There was no incident where Moi was found in a bush by anybody, because it is like I've said, it belittles his personality. Moi is a personality that at one time he was in a bush and he was a sitting president, because in 1982 it was an attempted coup. He did not succeed, and there was no time where Moi was found in a bush. He was in Kabarak, as it has been stated very clearly, and he was taken to, by his escort straight to State House, where it was announced very clearly that the architects of the coup did not succeed.
Fitting for Duale himself to apologize, so that the people can take it easy and continue in a normal way. To say that he was fetched from the bush means that Moi had gone there to hide, which is absolutely nonsense. Never did.